out, slowly exhale. Super. Nimma eyes anna gently rub ಮಾಡಿ students. One round of applause. Shall we start? Shall we start? They're telling the voice is low. Super. Loudly. Now audible? Now audible? Super. Excellent. Okay. So, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಿದ್ಯಾ? ಓಕೆ, one round of applause to all of you. ಒಂದು ಗಟ್ಟಿ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಾಪ್ ಹೊಡಿ ನೋಡು, ಎಷ್ಟು ಗಟ್ಟಿ ಕ್ಲಾಪ್ ಹೊಡಿತೀರಂತ. ಸೂಪರ್ ಸೂಪರ್, ಎಕ್ಸಲೆಂಟ್, ಸೂಪರ್ ಸೂಪರ್ ಸೂಪರ್, genius you are. Okay, all right. Today's topic, exactly you are at 5. Today's topic is the continuation of progression. Students, as we discussed to all of you, as I discussed to all of you, progression topic, basically a continuation of sequence and series. If there are some numbers, we will develop the relation between some numbers or consecutive numbers. If it is example, I took square numbers, I took cube numbers, I multiply by 2 plus 1, something we did. But the difference between two consecutive terms is same. Two consecutive terms difference is same or constant. Then we call such progression as what? AP. Excellent. Same, instead of difference, if you divide second by first, third by second, what we get? That constant ratio. If that answer remains same, then it is a constant ratio we call GP. Terms are in AP, its reciprocals are in HP. We learned post that, worked out some problems on AP, but to know that, we learned some formulae. Two formulae we learned. What is the 100th term? Nth term, Tn. Can you tell me what is nth term formula? Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. If you want to do the sum of all n terms, there are two formulae. Can all of you write? N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. I repeat, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D, or n by 2, a plus last term Tn, or you can write it as L. If last term is known in the series, you can go for L or Tn formula. Students, after learning this, some problems, we discussed an application problem, we told how to solve, some quadratic equation will come, sometimes simultaneous linear equation comes, A and D, all such calculations. Then we worked out a problem wherein you have to pay me 10 rupee, then 9 2 by 3, 9 1 by 3, etc. In how many days? You got 30 or 31. I told you, don't take negative, don't take any fraction. But can you take positive integers? Yes. Can there be two answers? Yes. But if the same question they will ask again, an application question, practical question, I told there cannot be two answers. There has to be least of those two positive integers. I told you, you have to pay me 9 rupee. So to get 9, there are two ways. 4 plus 3 plus 2, arithmetic progression, 3 terms total is 9. Or 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0 plus minus 1, 6 term total. 9 plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled, the 6 term total also 9. Students, please note, to make it 9, either 3 terms or 6 terms will work. But practically, you have to pay me 9 rupee, you will pay 4 rupee, 3 rupee, 2 rupee, loan cleared, and you will not pay further again. So there's a least of those two. This is what we learnt. And some problems you worked out. How do you do a common difference problem? Once that is done, we entered into GP. I told you, number is, let us take one small number, 2. Multiply by 3, 6, multiply by 3, 18, multiply by 3, 54. Then, if you divide second by first, you get 3, 3, 3, 3. There is a constant ratio, we call it as GP, geometric progression. And what is that starting number? A. Starting letter in English alphabet A, starting number is A. Ratio T2 minus T1 is D in AP. T2 divided by T1 is R, ratio, common ratio R. Then number of terms N and Tn. Can all of you write in your chat box Tn is equal to, first Fast. Where are you boys and girls? Ilidira. Tn is equal to, no responses. Tn equals a r to the power n minus 1. Super. Nth term, no, not in AP, we are in GP. No, not in AP, we are in GP. Tn a into r power n minus 1. Super, most of you answered. Students, and I was working out nth term. Sir, is r greater than 1, r less than 1 important? Not important here, that is important in later stage. With this small introductory part of 4 minutes, shall we work out problems on this? Shall we work out problems on this? Yes, no? Yes. Okay. Right. Let us go to the next problem. Let us go to the next problem. Screen is not visible. Is it visible now? Blur? Okay. Is it clear to all of you now? Super. Now you respond. Is it clear to all of you? Okay. Prabhuji says crystal clear. Excellent. In GP, fourth term of the series, okay, we were here in last class. What is the 10th term of the series? We finally arrived 512 by 2187. That's the last question. So note the material which is supplied to you, 12th question over. We are on 13th question, and 13th question goes this way. In GP, fourth term of the series is 2 by 27. Seventh term is 2 by 729. Find A and R. There are two questions they have asked you. Like earlier, A and D we worked out now. A and D we worked out. Now we have to work out A and R. A is first term and R is the common ratio. They are given the fourth term and the seventh term. So they basically given the term. Do you all agree with me? They basically given the term. So what I will do, I will go for Tn formula. You all tell me what is Tn formula? A r to the power n minus 1. I don't know A, I don't know R. But I know first case n is equal to fourth term. N is equal to 4 T4 A R. N, wherever n is there you put 4, or 4 minus 1, 3. This is equal to T4 fourth term is what? All of you answer. Fourth term is 2 by 27. Shall I take little further? Okay. When n is equal to 7, T7 A r to the power 7 minus 1, 6. It is given in question, 2 by 729. I will call this as 1, I will call this as 2. Any confusions, please let me know. I have to, see, whenever into is there, no, listen carefully, whenever there is into, you have to divide. All of you able to make out what is there on the screen? Whenever into, say whenever plus is there, a plus 3d, a plus 5d, you subtract, you get cancel. Plus minus you have to do. Simultaneous equation solving. Whenever a into something, you divide, then it will get cancelled. So, I will write 1 by 2 or 2 by 1. Hello. 1 by 2 or 2 by 1. Anything is fine. So, is that question taken? Please quickly. This is the question. Fourth term. You just write T4 is equal to 2 by 27. T7 is equal to 2 by 729. What is A? What is R? I am just solving here. Next step. As you have made out here. T4, T7. I will do 2 by 1. Consider 2 by 1. Sir, why 2 by 1? Why not 1 by 2? Anything is okay. But 2 I take because A r to the power 6. r to the power 6 and r to anything you will get answer. So I will write 2a this side, left side a r to the power 6 by a r to the power 6 by 2 by 1 a r to the power 3. I did left side, now I have to do the right side. Right side is 2 by 729 divided by 2 by 27. A class cancel. Can you tell me r to the power 6 by r to the power 3? X to the power 6 by x to the power 3. You bring up, so it is x to the power 3. That's why r to the power 3 is equal to, can you cut like this? 2, 2. Yeah, numerator to numerator you can cut. Finally it comes down to this denominator will go up. It becomes 27 by 729. It is reciprocal with krama ulta agtade. Denominator will go up. So finally both 27 by 729 in calculator, 27 ones are 27 27s are. Do you all agree r cube is equal to 1 by 27? 1 by 27, can I make it as 1 by 3 the whole cube? Some response from you. Can I make it as 1 by 3 whole cube? Why cube? Because this side also cube, this side also cube. So r cube is equal to 1 by 3 to the power 3. Cube same, power same, base has to be same. So you tell me then cube same, cube same here, cube same. Therefore r value should be equal to 1 by 3. Oh, is it r to the power 2? No, Abhilash. It is r to the power 6 by r to the power 3. It will be 6 minus 3. Right here, r to the power 6 by r to the power 3. It is not 3 ones and 3. No. R to the power 6 minus 3, which becomes r to the power 3. Okay. So, next step, we got r. Shall we substitute r in 1? Shall we substitute r in 1? Substitute r in 1. What is 1? What is 1? What is 1? 1 is, first one is, here a r to the power 3 is equal to 2 by 27. A r value 1 by 3 whole cube is equal to 2 by 27. I will write aside. Next step, a into 1 by 3 whole cube. 1 cube is 1, 3 cube is 27 is equal to 2 by 27. Whenever into is there, no student, this can be cut, no problem. Finally, a is equal to 2. Just please make a note, whatever I have discussed so far, please make a note. This is how it is going to come. We arrived finally a value and r value. A value is 2, r value is 1 by 3. I will explain once again, no problem. Shall I work out once again? Some students finding it difficult, not understood. So a value is equal to 2. So a value 2, r value 1 by 3. 2 and 1 by 3. Right answer choice is correct answer is B. I will repeat what they said. Okay. So you just take the question. I will repeat once again. What is that question about? T4 and T7. T4 is 2 by 27. This is 2 by 729. What is the Tn formula? Tn is, I am just repeating it. A r to the power n is 4. When you do 4, a r to the power n minus 1, a r to the power n minus 1, when you do so, once again, I'll write, I'll work out, I'll show the workings once again. Okay. So, what is the formula? A r to the power n minus 1. This is the formula. They say T4 A R to the power 4 minus 1. I am just putting n is equal to 4. R to the power 3. It is equal to what? Given in the question, it is 2 by 27. Same way, n is equal to 7. T7 A R to the power 7 minus 1, 6, 2 by 720. This is there in the question. Just I am putting n equals 4, n is equal to 7. I did 2 by 1. Sir, I don't want to do 2 by 1. I will do 1 by 2. No problem. Consider 1 divided by 2. All of you do. Left side A R to the power 3 by A R to the power 6. Right side 2 by 27 by 2 by 729. A cancel. 2 cancel. Finally, you remain with R cube by R to the power 6, 1 by R to the power, it is 6 minus 3, okay, not 6, you cannot write 3 ones and 3 twos. Here, it becomes 729 by 27. Finally, what is the result? 1 by R cube is equal to your answer 27, 27. 1 by R cube is 27, 1 by, then R cube will be, R cube is equal to 1 by 27. I made a reciprocal here, here also I should do. Therefore, R cube is equal to 1 by 3 whole cube. All of you are able to make out? 1 by 3 whole cube is 1 by 27. Therefore, you can equate R is equal to 1 by 3. Final conclusion here, R value 1 by 3. Substitute R value, you get A is R in this, substitute R in first or second. Anyone you substitute, you will get A is equal to 2. So, conclusion, A value 2, R value 1 by 3. Just worked out once again so that all of you are very clear with the working. Shall you go next one? If you tell yes, I will go to the next one. All of you, one single letter yes, no? Super. There is an interesting question here. 4th, 7th and 10th term of a GP are A, B, C. Then which of the following is true? Which of the following is true? Listen here, I have two methods to explain you. Listen here, you are not completed, you can take down here. Those you are not completed, please take a photocopy of this answer. Quickly, just take a photocopy and you can write. Please let me know whether you are written or not. One single letter, yes, no. Okay, no problem. I will. Yeah, you can write in pencil or anything, but finally in the home write once again in pen. All of you are writing the question, no? Once you get that material, all of you are writing that question, no? In your notebook. So write, this is the question, this is the solution. You will get confused at the end. Okay, super. Shall we proceed then? Shall we proceed? Excellent. There is a question here. 4th, 7th and 10th term. Question number 14 on your screen. 4th, 7th. 4th, 7th and 10th term of a GP are A, B, C respectively. Which of the following is true? Is given 4th term, 7th term and 10th term are A, B, C. Then which of the following is true? So, what we will do, this is again a formula on term. You write along with me, Tn is equal to A R to the power n minus 1. So, first they tell 4th term, n is equal to 4. I will write T4 A R to the power, which I don't know, to the power 4 minus 1, 3. Then it is 7. T7 is equal to A R to the power, it is 7 minus 1, 6. T10 is equal to A R to the power 10 minus 1, 9. You got 3 answers. It is equal to ABC. Okay, it is equal to what? ABC. So I will take that as, see, there are two A. Listen carefully, you will get confused here. One A is your first letter, first number in the formula. Other one is the term. They call just ABC. So just to make that A and this A different, I will consider as capital letter A, capital letter B, capital letter C. Just to make a some difference. Because otherwise you may say A get cancel, R cube is equal to 1. If I write like this, A R cube is equal to A, in a hurry you may do that because both A are not same. One is formula A, one is what they are given. That's why to make a difference, I will take capital letter A, capital letter B, capital letter C. Instead of small letter, I took the capital letter just to make the difference. They say B is equal to AC. So I will try each of this. B is equal to AC. So B means capital letter. For all this, I will take capital letter. B is equal to AC. Can you tell me? Okay, or one step we can do further. Here, if you make out A r to the power 3, A r to the power 6, A r to the power 9, which of the following is true? I will take first option, B is equal to AC. What is B? Here, A r to the power 6 is equal to A value, capital letter A r cube into A r to the power 9. In any case, it is not matching because 9 plus 3 power becomes 12. Therefore, option A delete. Can you work with me the second one? B square is equal to A plus C. Tell me, what is B square? What is B square? B is the second one. A r to the power 6 whole to the power 2 is equal to A plus C. A r cube plus A r to the power 9. This is also not correct because what happens here is A square r to the power 12. You know that A, if you take common, r cube plus r to the power 9. Can I write r to the power 3 plus r to the power 9, r to the power 12? Indices says whenever into is there you can add, not whenever plus is there. Therefore, this is not matching. And here also you are not getting A. So, second option delete. So, one thing you noted, r to the power 3 plus r to the power 9 is not r to the power 12. R to the power 3 into r to the power 9. If into is there you can do. So, option B deleted. So, now left is C and D. It has to be C, otherwise D. Conclude. C square is equal to AB. Tell me, what is C? Quick. What is C? What is C? What is C? A r to the power 9 whole square, A r to the power 3, A r to the power 6. Next step, A square r to the power 9 2s are 18. A square you are getting, but unfortunately A r to the power 3 into r to the power 6, indices law says x to the power m into x to the power n, x to the power m plus n, not m into n. Therefore, 3 plus 6, 9. Here also not matching. So, all the first three options deleted. It has to be answer D. What is D? B square is equal to AC. So, B square, quickly you help me, what is B square? Fast. Tell me what is B square? B square. What is B square? A r to the power 6 square into A value, capital letter A r to the power 3, C value A r to the power 9. Next step, let us verify A square r to the power 6 into 12, here A into A square, r to the power 3, r to the power 9, x to the power m into x to the power n, x to the power m plus n, 3 plus 9. A square r square 12, A square r square 12. Right answer is D. Right answer is D. All of you conclude the right answer is D. Not C, D. Quickly take down. take down quickly. I'll give the time, then I'll give one more idea to all of you. Fast you write down. So you have to take Tn formula. You will get A, call that as capital letter A, B, C. Take each option, substitute. A will not match, B will not match, C will not match. So D it will match. I'll give one more idea. First you take down the formula. So the right answer is finally D. After this, substitute in options. One more idea. If everything is completed, then I will explain. Shall I explain one more? One new idea I will tell, and if you are happy, then you have to clap. Okay. Top secret. Okay. I'll do like this. They given 4th term, 7th term, and 10th term are A, B, C. That's what they tell. All of you listen to me very carefully. Listen very carefully. A is what? We don't know. B is what? We don't know. C is what? We don't know. Listen carefully. We don't know A, we don't know B, we don't know C. This is where the problem. They said A, B, C. What is that A? God only knows. But they say there are 10 terms, but they are in GP. Hello, hello, all of you are there. They are in what? They are in what? Please let me know. They are in what? GP. Now, can you tell me what are those? Okay, I'll tell you. Tell me that option also. Let us look at that option. That options are, when we are working out, we got some option, no? What are those options? The options also I need. Here is the question. It is B is equal to AC, etc., etc. We finally said B square is equal to AC is the right answer. Okay. Okay. Now, all of you are there with me? One single letter yes. All of you are there with me? One single letter yes to tell that you are there with me. Excellent. I will ask you, you all answered is GP. Can we make one simple GP goes up to 10 terms? Can we make one simple GP goes up to 10 terms? I will do like this. Simple GP 1, 2, multiply by 2, 2 2s are. Tell me, you write along with me. 4, 8, hello, hello, no response. 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, 512, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, if at all you start with the 2, you go whatever. You don't have to take the same API, you can take some other API also. Some other GP also. 2, 4, 8. If you take with the 2, 4, 8, I am okay with that. Take the next term 1024. But you take some numbers. Tell me whether all of you are written. All of you are written this number. I started with 1 and I went up to 512. Are they written? Okay. Now, 4th term is A. What is the 4th term? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4th term, they say it is equal to A. Do you agree with me? Anything rocket science? No. 7th term, this is 7th term, they tell it is B. 10th term, they tell it is C. They tell it is C. Okay, listen carefully. Now I have to, now when I know the number, I can establish a relation. So they say one option B square is equal to AC. Check whether it is correct or not. Calculator B square, calculator B value. B value. What is B value? What is the value of B? Hello, no response from you. What is the value of B here? No. What is B? Where are you, boys and girls? B is 64. 64 square, they tell is equal to A into C. What is A? What is A? What is A? Simply don't tell some numbers. 8, super. Tell me what is C? What is C? 512. Check, is it matching? 64 square, is it equal to 8 into 512? Check it out. What is 64 square? What is 64 square? 4096. Is this answer multiplying? Will you get still 4096? Yes or no? You got the idea? If happy, you can clap one idea. For the idea one, you have to clap now. See how many of you clap. Oh, super. Excellent. Super. Shall I give one more idea? Any number you take, Nishu Kumar. Okay, why we should take 1, 2, 4? I took a GP, 1, 2, 4, simple. You can take 3, 3 2s are 6, 2s are 12, 24, anything. One GP you take, that's all. Everyone understood? Some response from you. Shall I give one more idea? Shall I give one more idea? Any number you can work. Amazing. Okay, thank you. You try in home taking this GPA. Simple, if you do, your calculation becomes simple. However, you are not doing, no, calculator is giving. You can take one more GP with, 2, you can take 2, 6, 18, 54, etc. This little bigger numbers comes, but it's okay. Go on, write it and work out. One more idea I will tell. This, I don't know whether you remember. It's like this. Students, you heard, okay, 2 and 8. 2 and 8, listen carefully, 2 and 8 are the two numbers. Can any of you remember geometric mean formula? Geometric mean formula. This one student asking me with different number whether you get different answer. No, final answer B square equals AC only. Okay, super. As you said, root AB. Root AB. Do you agree with me? Okay. So can you work out what is root AB? Root 2 into 8. What is root 2 into 8? Don't take anti-log and all. Working on this only difficult. You take anti-log, not required, simple. 4, calculator is there now. Root 2 into 8, 4. Okay, super. Now, I will give you the meaning, one new idea. When you say geometric mean is 4, listen carefully. When you say geometric mean is 4, it means to say mean means middle. Between 2 and 8, there is one number comes called 4. This is mean, no? This should come in between 2, 8. This mean means middle 4. Geometric means it is a geometric progression. Hello, 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 hello. Are you able to follow the trick? When you say 2 and 8, middle number geometric mean means 2, 4, 8 comes a geometric progression. Suppose arithmetic mean, listen here. Arithmetic mean of 3 and 5. Tell me how do you do it? A plus B by 2. 3 plus 5 by 2, which is equal to 4. What does it mean? By putting 4 here, 3, 4, 5, arithmetic means it follows AP. Always arithmetic mean means by putting that number it follows AP. Geometric mean means putting that number follows GP. That's all. Students, there is 4th term, there is 7th term, there is 10th term. Listen carefully. So interesting, so much logic involved. Please answer whether you are all able to follow what I am explaining to you so far. Okay. 4th, 7th and 10th. 4th, 7th and 10th terms are there. And they say this term is 4th, 7th and 10th. They called, it is in GP or AP, which one they called in the question? All of you tell me, is it in AP or GP? GP. Once again, it is in GP. Okay. Can you tell me 4th, 7th and 10th, when you do 4th, 7th and 10th, Do you agree 7th is the exact middle term of 4th and 10th? 4th number, 5th number, 6th number, 7th number, 8th number, 9th number, 10th number. Now 4th to 10th, this aside, this comes exact middle. Exact middle means it is mean. Which mean? Geometric progression. Which mean? Geometric mean. Therefore 7th term is, since 7th is the middle term. How come it is middle, sir? 4, right, all of you right. 4, hold your hand fingers. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total 7 terms are there. 3 separate, 3 separate. 4, 5, 6 separate. So 7th term is the middle term. As I have written on the screen, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. Middle number is 7th. You know, middle number is mean. Therefore, in geometric progression, it is geometric mean. Tell me, what is geometric mean means? This is B, this is A, this is C. That we concluded B is the geometric mean of A and C. Can you tell me next step? B is equal to square root AC. That means one step, square both the sides. B square is equal to AC. That's all what you have to prove at the end. Hope all of you understood what I have explained. I have given you 3 methods, but yeah, but best is to put numbers and work out. Okay. Now, sir, can't we do in this? Still you can do. Try it out, no? Finally, what happened is 64, 8, 512. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is coming middle, no? So for 64 is equal to, according to me, middle means it is geometric mean because geometric progression. 64 is square root of 8 into 512. Fast. 64 is equal to square root of 8 into 512. Fast. Is that right? 8 into 512 square root. Obviously. So conclusion in all the method, B square equals AC is the right answer. So correct answer is D. One major idea I will share here. Here is there. Right, this is very important. If there is a general term, then convert them to particular one. If there is a general term, convert them into a particular terms. I repeat, if there is a they give you A, B, C, they give X, Y, Z, you will break your head. What is X, what is Y, what is Z? Don't know, no? Put numbers. So, take GP. I started with 1. You can take like this also. I started with 1. Take GP. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, 512. 10 numbers over. Sir, what if it is, sir, if there are 80 numbers, 100, then it is difficult. 7, 8, 10, 12, easy to do. Same logic is applicable in arithmetic progression. Same is applicable in geometric progression. So, boys and girls, one new thing we learned today. What is that new thing? Whenever they give unknowns, whenever they give X, Y, Z, whenever they give A, B, C, whenever they give general terms, make them a particular one. Take your own example. Sir, any example is going to work? Definitely. Sir, can I take one more GP? 3, 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 48, 96, 8. Can I take 192? Go on, no problem. But you will get the answer. You have to get the answer. So, I request all the students to try with the different numbers of your own and let me know whether your answers matches. Shall we go for the next one? 15th question. All of you go for 15th question. All of you go for 15th question. Find 3 numbers in GP. Sum is 21. Sum of their squares is 189. Though there are many methods to work out. Best method is what? Can anyone tell me best method is what? Best method is what? Substitute. That's all. I will do the substitution. Tell me, 3 numbers should be, there are 3 conditions that should be AP. One is AP, sum of the terms should be 21. Sum of the squares, sum of squares should give you 189. Shall we work out? First one, 579. Is it in GP? Oh, no. First should be, sorry. 3 terms should be in what? 3 terms should be in GP. Sorry. 3 terms should be in GP. But unfortunately, first answer, 579 is not in GP. It is in what? AP. Missed out. Gone. 3, 7, 11. Difference for difference. So it is in AP. Not GP. Gone. 4, 8, 9. 4, 8. 4 difference. 8, 1. So it's not AP. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. So it is coming 9 here. D also not correct. A delete, B delete, D delete, only one left out, C correct. But still, let us check it out. 3, 6, 12, is it in GP? All of you answer, is it in GP? Yes. Sum is equal to 21, calculator, 3 plus 6 plus 12. I don't know why you want calculator, okay. 3 plus 6 plus 12, new calculator, okay. Tell me the answer. 21, excellent, you are brilliant. Sum of the squares. 3 square plus 6 square plus 12 square. 3 square is 9, 36, 12 square is 144. 144 plus 36, 180, 180 plus 9, 189. Will you get 189? Yes. All the 3 conditions, GP, sum is 21, sum of the squares 189. The correct answer is C. Please conclude answer choice C, previous exam question. Though if you go by method, it is more time consuming. You can try it out in the working out, but the best method is going by options. If done, I will go to the next one. Please do tick your answer. Finally, answer C. C for chartered accountant. If you tell yes, then I will go further. Okay, someone wanted to write. Yes, all of you have written? Okay. Here I have given the technique also. Students, please answer to me. When you refer your notes, do you think it's very clear, legitimate, all techniques, ideas are given earlier all classes? You are happy about the notes that you took? Super. And it is handwritten, no, correct, no? So handwritten font, so that will make you much more easy and to understand. And and my request to all the students is that notes, whatever you have to write once again, so that you will practice it. Super. Right, I just given the technique what I did. Find whether the options are in GP. First, go by option, see their sum of the square. This all will happen only for option C. Just go by options. Okay. There is Mega, one student asked me, that is about Mega Devadiga. How do you work out in AP, GP? So there it is A minus D, A plus D in AP, correct, no? In geometric mean, you have to take A by R, 3 terms will be A by R, A, AR. Not required, time consuming, go by option, that's the best method. But even if you want to solve, so descriptive, I want to solve equation, A by R, AR. Tell me, can you do like this, AR square? Is it GP? AR, multiply by R, multiply now. Yes. Is it in GP? Yes, multiply by R, multiply. All are in GP. All are in GP. Which is best to take if 3 terms are in GP, take A by R, AR. There in AP, A minus D, A plus D, start with the sum. Here, start with the product. Can anyone tell me why you have to take product first? A by R into A into AR. Can anyone tell me? Can anyone tell me why we should take like that? So, R cancel. Assume that the product is say 64. Then what you will do? A into A cube is equal to 64. A cube is equal to 4 cube. 3 3 same. A is equal to 4. Like that you used to do sum and you used to get. Now I am taking multiply and you have to work out. So, 3 numbers in GP, sum and product are given. The best way to approach is A by R, A R. If there are 4 terms, what if there are 5 terms already which is given? But best is to, instead of doing all this entire circus, best is what? Go by options. Even here also 4 terms, when you multiply, you will get all or get cancelled. All are here. So, I think this it will be circulated to you. Shall we go for next one? Okay. There is a question here. Question number 16 on your screen. All of you refer. Question number 16 on your screen. Find 3 numbers in GP. Sum is 52. Sum of their products in pairs. Sum of their products in pairs. What is that? A, B, C. Products in pair means products in pairs. A, B, B, C, C, A. Sum of their products means A, B plus B, C plus C, A. If there are 3 terms A, B, C, then you have to take like that. I will explain. Don't worry. All of you are there with me? All of you are there. Don't break your head. Simple. Go by option. 3 numbers in condition 1, that should be in GP. Next one, sum should be 52. Sum of their products in pairs. Sum of the products in pairs, it should be 624. We will work out. Tell me first 3, 12, 48. Is it in GP? Answer quick. No response, boys and girls. Is it in GP? 3, 12, 48. You want calculator? Okay. Intelligent. Okay. Yes. Next. 5, 10, 22. 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20. No, not correct. Gone. Option B, gone. Option C. 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. Correct. Now, only between A and C. Shall we go further? Shall we go further? Sum is 52. Calculator. 3 plus 12, 15 plus 48. Is it 52 or 63? You get sum is equal to 63 here. Therefore, option A gone. Among A and C, A delete. There is only left out. That is answer is what? What is the answer? It is C. Let us verify. Sum is equal to 52. Calculator. 4 plus 12 plus 36. Is it 52? Excellent. So, the option C holds good for condition of GP, condition of sum is equal to 52. Sum of the products in pairs. Shall we do? What does it mean? 3 terms, products in pairs, just like AB plus sum means BC plus CA. Tell me now. 4 into 12 pair sum plus 12 into 36 plus sum 36 into 4. Calculator. 4 into 12 48. 12 into 36. Is it 432? No response from you. Is it 432? Super. 36 into 4 144. Calculator. 48 plus 432 plus 144. Will you get 624? Wonderful students. Will you get that answer? Therefore, A delete in the second case, B delete in the first condition only. C is correct in first condition, second condition and third condition. Therefore, correct answer, correct is C. Correct answer is C. If you are completed, I will go to the next question. Anything you want to know? Any simple. Go by option, you will get the answer. Shall we go further? After this, I will give you one break to all of you. Oh, okay. There is one question. Shall we? Shall we discuss the next question? Question on your screen. Question on your screen. There are 3 numbers in AP. The 3 numbers in AP, note that very carefully, whose sum is 15, if they are added by 1, 4, 19, they are in GP. What are the numbers? So they said there are 3 numbers in AP. You have to add some numbers to each. They become GP. What are such numbers? Shall we work out? Shall we work out? All of you are ready with me? First condition, 258. Is it in AP? Is that in AP? No answer. 258. Is it in AP? Yes. Correct. Next, they say 2, you have to add, for first one you have to add how much? 1. Second one you have to add 4. Third one you have to add 19. Third one is 8. 8 plus 19. They say that becomes GP. Tell me, 2 plus 1, 3. 5 plus 4, 9. 8 plus 19, 27. Whether it is becoming GP. Whether it is becoming GP, yes. First condition also correct. Second condition also correct. Therefore, option A is absolutely right. Conclude, answer A cannot be done so. A is correct. Why? That's what I always want to tell you. Okay. Boys and girls, one thing I want to tell you here. In exam, in the especially CA foundation exam, all of you are there with me. One student asked me, sir, what you are learning in your basically the CA foundation level? Listen carefully. All of you are there with me, not able to make out any responses. One student asked me, sir, what? All of you are there with me? Response? Okay, something happened. Okay, super. So then, okay, excellent. I told entire CA foundation basically tells you how to read the question. I repeat once again, the foundation level is all about reading the question. You have, especially your multiple choice, you have question, you have answer, you have wonderful calculator. Just you have to analyze properly, you will get it. All of you are there with me. I don't know whether you are able to make out what I am explaining to you. Super. So that's why especially you have to read question pakka. Question means including multiple choices. Okay, that's what this CA foundation course will teach you. Shall we answer then? I'll go to the option B, okay? I'll go to the option B. Because they say A and B, I have tried only A, I don't know B, could be right, but let us verify. So, 26, 5 minus 16, whether it is in AP, how do you test it? 26, 5 minus 16. You have to do 5 minus 26. Don't break your head. Calculator, is it minus 21? 5 minus 26, is it minus 21? Okay. Minus 16 minus 5. Do calculator. Minus 16 minus 5. Is it still minus 21? Okay, super. Therefore, what second one, that is in AP. Now they tell 26, 5 minus 16, you have to add what numbers dear? 1, 4, 19. All of you add. 1, 4, 19. 1 if you add, it becomes 27. 5 plus 4 is 9. Minus 16 plus 19 is 3. Tell me 27, 9, 3, are they in GP? How do you test? 9 by 27, calculator 1 by 3.333. 3 by 9, this is also 1 by 3. Will you get another GP? Will you get another GP? Therefore, first condition is true, AP. Second condition, after adding they become GP. It is true in both option A and option B. Therefore, your correct answer is not A, not B, it is C. That's what I said. It is CA foundation course is all about not the correct answer. It's the most appropriate answer. For one question, there can be one correct answer, two correct answer, three correct answers. That's why many times they give all of the above, A, B and C, A, R, B, A and B. These are all very, very important. Yes? Yes, no? Something your answers? Excellent. Shall I give you one small puzzle to all of you? You've been listening classes. Excellent. Almost 50 minutes over. Enjoying the maths class? Enjoying the maths class? Love maths class. Super. All right. Super, super. I'll ask you one now puzzle. Let us see who is going to answer first. And as usual, who answers first will get one chocolate. No, not chocolate. You will get one nice prize from me. All right. Laddu. Arafat wants laddu only. Okay, Arafat, no problem. Pooja Kamath want to solve more problems. So you have a lot of questions. We'll explain you. All right. Right. Now, puzzle time. Go for this. Okay. These earlier puzzles are not of your level. Now I'll give one puzzle of your standard. All of you are able to make out? Super. Let us see who is going to answer first. Amit D'Souza answered. Okay. Slightly wrong. Okay, super, 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 super. Intelligent students. Intelligent students. No, no, not getting correct answer. No. Okay, okay. This is Musharraf. Musharraf from Mangalore. Congratulations, Musharraf. Many have, no, not many have answered. Super Musharraf. Oh my God, so much answers. Lippy Gowda, you also answered correct, but I think Musharraf answered first. Rachana also answered, super. Many have answered in between, yeah. But first goes to Musharraf. Super. Many have answered, and I know super answers from many students. Lippy Gowda, Rachana, all have answered, but prize goes to Mr. Musharraf, Mangalore. Musharraf, which college? Musharraf, which college? Oh, Trisha College. Oh, super. Our own college, excellent. Congratulations, Musharraf. Good done. You are really done super. I'll just tell you how did you get that answer. Excellent. Congratulations to all the students who have answered, and I told few names. Lippy Gowda also answered very quickly, but today I told you it will be only one prize. Yeah, if you add all this, Total of all this is 4, which is 2 square. Total of all this is 9, which is 3 square. Total of all this is 16, which is 4 square. Total of all this is nothing but 36 6 square. This is nothing but 49. So 4, 9, 16 should be 25 total of all this. 2 plus 10, 12. This should be 13. Those and all who have answered 13, congratulations. Yeah, one prize only I can give. And special book from me to Mr. Mushraf, Mangaluru. So 13. Many have answered, I know. Rizwan, you also answered. Thank you. But first told is Mushraf. Then Lipi Gowda is the next one to tell. Shall we proceed now? I'll give one more. Standard. These are many of you could not answer because that's not your level question only. Now I'll give your level question. Ready? Neeve bere, nima level bere. Okay, super, super. This is a standard question. Okay. The question goes this way. There are some hens. There are 50 hens. There are 45 goats. There are 8 camels, and some animal keepers are there who will look after all this. So they say number of feet be 224 more than heads. Number of feet be 224 more than heads. That means how many keepers are there? Oh, Rupa Bangalore, you are genius. Rupa BR. And one more who tried is one more call from BMS. Excellent. Super. Very, very fast answer. I was very happy. Sabir Hassan. Excellent. Super. Sajeevan. Jeevan is another name. So there are hens, there are goats, there are camels, and there are keepers. There is one more. Yeah. Sabir Hassan. Yeah, agree. And it says number of feet, total number of feet is 224 more than heads. Number of feet is 224 more than heads. If that is the case, how many keepers are there? How many people, how many men are there? 9 is not the answer. 9 is not the answer. Okay. First you have to do, okay. The only few students who told correct. The right answer. Shall I tell the right answer? No, not 112. 112 men, you are not, should not add all this. It's not that way. The right answer is 15 men. How do you do it? You just try with this. Hence means how many legs? 2. 45 into 4. 8 into 4. 15 into 2. Count it. That is 224 more than their heads. And the right answer, yeah. There is Vaishnavi Reddy answered, Hariprasad Reddy, answered. Right answer is 15. There are 15. Okay. Try in the home. Try in the home. Try in the home. 15 is the right answer. You can multiply 2, multiply by 4, and you can take x and you can solve. But the right, as I said, Rupa from Bengaluru. Very good answer. Rupa, which college you belong to? Oh, Rupa Bhaskar from New Horizon College. Excellent. Degree, Rupa? Are you a degree student? Second PUC. Oh, well done, well done. Congratulations, and you have answered very, very fast. Super. Correct. Excellent. Vasudev Pai says, since he not answered, it is not his level question. Congratulations and well done. And you get a special book from me, a special planner from me, which will motivate you to read and work, and it will help you a lot. That's all. 2 puzzles, and I have to rush. I have to do my portions. Shall we continue then? Shall we continue the next one? Okay. Now all of you write down. All of you write down. One round of applause to all of you that you learned 1 hour session. Now we'll go to next one. With one Josh from you, we'll start. Loudly. Excellent. Okay. All of you go to concept 8. All of you go to concept 8. How did you solve that puzzle? You take x and you solve. In some other class, I will discuss it. Tomorrow come little early, I will discuss that. Is that okay, Akash or Shetty? Okay. Students, the continuation is sum of n terms in GP. Shall we go to the next one? Shall we go to the next one? All right. In middle and all, you have to clap, okay? In between, clap. Because your parents should know, some CA you are studying, something new you are learning. Your dad and mom should be very happy. So much you are learning, even in the evening 6 o'clock. They'll be really surprised. All right. And at the end, I'll tell you one more important thing. All of you clapped, huh? Okay, super. One success mantra I found out among few people, why they have become so successful, which I'll tell at the end. Excellent. Student, concept 8, all of you go for concept 8. Concept 8, sum of n terms. We learnt Tn formula. Tn is equal to ar to the power n minus 1. Tn is equal to ar to the power n minus 1. Now we are going to work out sum of n terms in GP. There are 2 formulae here. One formula, I'll write once again. One formula, and you can take along with me. Sn, not in AP but in GP, A into r to the power n minus 1 by r minus 1. See the formula? R to the power n minus 1, it is nth term. Here it is r to the power n minus 1 separately by r minus 1. R is greater than 1. Can you tell me some number greater than 1? 3, 2 by 5, 5 by 2, 5 by 2 is 2.5, 7 by 3, all these are greater than 1. Okay. What if r is less than 1, 1 by 2, negative? What if it is that case? Negative all are less than 1. It is, you have to interchange. 1 minus r to the power n by 1 minus r. Will all of you write down quickly? There are 2 formulae. Fast you have to write down. Have written in your notebook. Sn formula. One is r greater than 1. One is for r less than 1. Yes, no. Have written? I will come and check your notes. Wherever you are sitting and working, if you are not writing any formula, I will make you to stand on your sofa for 1 hour. Punishment to all of you. You have to write the formula. Super. Done, huh? Okay. So then, that's what this is given to you. This will be given to you in the notes. I just repeat. I want to repeat it. R to the power n minus 1 by r minus 1, where r is greater than 1. Where r is less than 1, 1 minus r to the power n by 1 minus r. Super. R greater than 1, r less than 1. So A is what? First term. R is what? Common ratio T2 by T1. N is number of terms. Just we learned same thing earlier. Shall we continue? Mohammed Sayan says no sofa. No problem. Make you to stand on the table. Okay. Let us go to the next question. Find the sum of, note down, it is the sum of 10 terms of the sequence 2, 10, 50. First of all, 2, 10, 50, dot, dot, dot. Is it in AP or GP? Tell me, is it in AP or GP? GP. You want to do the sum, so I have to apply the SN formula. But I will do A. Tell me what is A? A, starting number fast. Starting letter, here starting number A, 2. Ratio is T2 by T1, which is equal to 10 by 2, which is 5. N is equal to sum of 10 terms, N is equal to 10. So formula A into R to the power N minus 1 by R minus 1. This can be applied for R greater than 1. Tell me, is 5 greater than 1? Is 5 greater than 1? Is 5 greater than 1? Excellent. I will substitute A value 2, R value 5 to the power 10 minus 1 by 5 minus 1. Finally, 2, 5 to the power 10 minus 1 by 5 minus 1, 4. It is 2 ones are, 2 twos are. Finally, it comes down to 5 to the power 10 minus 1 by 2. You can simplify and you can work out. But by looking at your option, you can make out. What is the right answer choice? What is the right? No, that much big number is not required. Need not to solve that full answer. All of you look at your options on the screen. So, 5 to the power 10 minus 1 divided by 2. What is your right answer? Right answer choice. Everyone correct? C. If expected, then only you expand 5 to the power 10. Some of you worked out because a new calculator you got. Super. Shall I go to the next one? C for CA, C for CMA, C for CS, C for CPA, C for CFA. Super. Now I will work out a very important problem. Very important. Quite often they give you they are given you in the examination because it's time consuming. Ready? You have to tell me. If you are ready only, I will continue. Ready, Idira? All of you are there? Last question, there is nothing, simple. Complete it quickly. Just take a photocopy and I will go to the next question. Probably I will do this question today and 1 or 2 questions I will do it. Very important next question, 19th question. Don't blame me later if this kind of question comes to your examination. I'm not responsible if you're not done in the exam. You learned it and if you get a rank then definitely you have to give me a treat. Okay, this is again a problem which I will tell you how to do it. All of you refer question number 19. 333 dot up to n terms. Students, in examination, all of listen, in examination, this kind of question they give because generally it takes more time to conclude. Is that clear to all of you? I will give you first how to work out by method. How to work out by method. Shall I? Okay. 333 up to n terms. Yes, I will explain you. See the first step, I don't know this sum, I will call it as yes. You have to, neither it is AP nor GP now, correct. And I expect you to listen very carefully Arams, I'll give time for you to take down. This total I don't know up to n term. N also they are not given. In the option also there was n. So n will be n only. What I will do? I will take 3 common. 777, 7 common. 8, 88, 880, 8 common. So it will be 1 plus 11 plus 111 up to n terms. First step I think simple. 3. 111, 111 not in AP, not in GP again. I will do something like this. There is a 50. Can I do into 9 divided by 9? All of you answer. X, can I do into 9 divided by 9? Same. But why do you do into 9 divided by 9? There is an advantage which I will explain you. Why simply you multiply by 9 and divide by 9? There is an advantage. I will multiply by 9 divided by 9 and I will keep it same. 1, 11, 11 and 11 up to n terms. Now, finally I want to do 999, 990. That is my logic. Any number, whatever, 8 if they give, common 8, 111, multiply by 9, divided by 9. 9 into 1 will be 999. I want to get that 999. I will tell you why. So I will keep this part same. I will not change 3 by 9. Tell me what next? This 9 I have to multiply. Can you all tell me? I will tell you why 9. You just answer. 9 into all this. 9, 99, 999 up to n terms. All of you suddenly got worried. Gopal sir, why you gone to 9? No, that I will tell you. If you bring 9 now, dear student, there is an advantage. 9 is 10 minus 1. Observe, observe. 99 is 100 minus 1. Observe, 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 observe. 999 is 1000 minus 1. So, bring all term into 9. Make it 10 minus 1, 100 minus 1, 1000 minus 1 up to n terms. Still some of you not got. Why sir you bring all that? Now I will look at here. 10, 100, 1000, etc., etc. Do you think such terms are in what? 10, 100,000. Tell me. 10, 100,000, 10,000. You have to tell me. I will not tell. That becomes a GP. Therefore, I will classify all the term into, one is all the 10, then plus 100, plus 1000, dot, 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 up to n terms. Every term you split into 10 minus 1, then 100, 10, 100,000, 1. Then all left out is what? Can you tell me what is left out? I did not take what? I did not take what? Minus 1. I can write like this. Plus of, because here plus is there. What I have not taken is minus 1. Again minus 1 here, minus 1 here, minus 1 here, up to n terms. I will take in brackets. 3 by 9, you know this is in GP. Can you tell me what is A in that, what is that, 10, 100,000? I will mark like this. It is in GP. Can all of you tell me, what is A in this GP? What is A? Small letter A. 10. Super. What is R? Ratio is what? 100 by 10. Ratio is 100 by 10, which is equal to 10 and greater than 1. And what about N? N is what? N is N only, up to n terms. So, 3 by 9. Can anyone tell me what is the formula? A r to the power n minus 1 by r minus 1. Do you all agree with me? Sn formula, because plus 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 Sn. Tell me now quickly. I am checking your answer. Tell me A, what is the formula? A, what is the value of A? Small letter A. 10. R, ratio 10. N only. Not given how many times? N. By 10 minus 1, 9. I have completed. Please note, I have completed that pink color ka answer done. Plus minus 1 minus 1, what is the answer? Minus 1 minus 1 2 times, what is the answer? Minus 2. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 5 times, minus 5. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 up to n times. N times minus 1 minus 1, like that n. What is your answer? 3 means minus 3, 5 means minus 5, so it is minus n. Next step, I should simplify this. How do I simplify it? You tell me. This 3 by 9 is 1 by 3. Do you all agree with me? 3 by 9 is 1 by 3 into 10 into 10 to the power n minus 1 by 9 plus into minus minus. So next step will be 3 you have to multiply for both. 10 into 10 to the power n minus 1. Look at here, 1 by 3 into this 27 minus 1n n by 3. Either this could be the answer, or they can also do 10 into 10 to the power n, 10 to the power n plus 1 minus 10 divided by 27. This is same. Either this or this. Let us look at first. What I will do is first I want you to take this working first. First step, all of you copy down this. I will explain you. Please make a note. I will explain you once again. Please copy it first. Yeah. Abhishek, it is flying off your head. I know. There are another method. Don't worry. First you take it. I know that some student did not get. Don't worry. I will explain you. You take down this first. I have another method. Lalit K. Just wait. But you take down this first. So much I took steps to work out now. You take down first. I will explain you. So, okay. Completed this step first. One photo from your end. Photo of your answer. Rakshit Manglo says easy. This was quite often they used to ask in 10th standard, you remember? 5 mark question they used to give. Okay. I'll just take from here. From here you take the next step. From here you take the next step. I have one wonderful method. You will be really surprised to know. Yeah. How come minus n came? I will explain you. That is Mr. Chandrakant. Chandrakant, minus 1 up to n terms. Minus 1, if there is 1 time, minus 1. 2 times, minus 1, minus 2. 3 times minus 3. 4 times minus 4. 10 times minus 10. N times it is minus n. That's how minus n came. 100 times minus 100. N times, so it is. Okay. Shall we look at this last part finally? Completed? Take down quickly. If you have completed this, then I will take this part, final. I will give one more easy method. If you have completed, have you taken this last answer? Shall we look at the option now? Shall we look at the options? So 27 is coming, look at here. So it is, this is what we have arrived. 10 by 27, 1 by 27 into this. Okay. Let us verify whether this answer and what we got is same. what is that answer given to you? 1 by 27. Let us verify. 1 by 27. Here also we got 1 by 27. So this is same. 10 into 10 to the power n minus 1 by 27 same. But instead of n by 3, what it is there? You have here 1 by 27, observe here, 1 by 27 and 9n minus of, so 1 by 27 minus 9n. Solve it, not got, no, I repeat. 1 by 27, I'll multiply these two. 1 by, this is whole bracket, no? 1 by 27 into minus 9, so it will be minus 9 ones are 9 threes are minus 1 by 3n. We also got same answer, minus 1 by 3 or minus n by 3. Therefore, the right answer is B. Conclude, all of you conclude, the right answer is B. If you simplify that what we worked out, we arrive at answer B. Not A, not C. All of you write answer B. Because earlier we worked out as minus n by 3. Here they said 1 by 27 entire into minus 9n. When you simplify, what you get? 9 ones are 9 threes are. So minus n by 3 only you get. Shall I give you one more easy method? Nishu Kumari says did not understand so much. No problem, I will explain you in one more method. Very super method. And you will never forget. Ready? This is not a substitution, I have a slightly different idea. Answer me 333, how many terms? You have to answer my questions quickly. No, 333, up to dot, up to what terms? 330, up to what terms? N terms. Tell me what is n? What is n? All of you have to answer what is n. N is what? I don't know. You also don't know. N means number of terms. Do you agree with me? N means number of terms. What is the method I will do? Listen carefully. Listen. Up to number of, n means number of terms. Can you tell me one number of terms could be how much? Tell me. All of you tell me. Number of terms, one number. You tell me. Number of terms. Don't tell me infinity. Who told infinity? 100. Reduce, no? Small numbers. 30. Small number. 3. Still small number. Small number. Tell me number of terms. Small one number. 1, 2. I don't know. 1, 2, 3. Anything. I will take. Listen carefully. Look at the working. N I will take 2 terms. Number of terms are 2. There are only 2 terms in the sequence. Tell me what should be the question. You have to tell me only 2 terms in that big expression. Are you there? Any term you can take. Take only 2 terms. In the 333, only 2 terms. It becomes, Srijan says, it is 3 plus 33. 3 plus 33 you can do in the calculator, new calculator. How much is the answer? 36. So interesting, huh? If there are 2 terms, total is 36. If there are 3 terms, all of you use calculator. 3 terms, 3 plus 33 plus 333, it should be 369. 4 term, 4, 5. Don't take big, take small. If there are 2 terms, if there is only 1 term, 3. Okay, I have taken n is equal to 2. I made the series as only 2 terms, 3 plus 33. I made the series as what? Number of terms are 2. N means number of terms. You write along with me. Number of terms n is equal to 2. I will take 3 plus 33. This is what the question. Don't take 100. Don't take n. Don't only 2. If n is equal to 2, 3 plus 33, total should be 36. I will apply wherever n is there 2, I have to get 36. Option A, 10 by 27, all of you use calculator. 10 to the power, what is n value? 2 minus 1 minus n value 2. Wherever n is there, write 2. Calculator is there, 10 by 27. 10 square minus 1. What is 10 square minus 1? 100 minus 1. 99 minus 2. Calculator. 99 into 10 divided by 27. Is it 36.666666? Minus 2 you do. Will you get last answer 34.666666? Will you get 34.666 in your calculator? I should have got what answer? 3 plus 33. Is it 34 or 36? Option A, Damar. How interesting it is. Tell me. In this you have to put n is equal to 2. Quick. 1 by 27 whole bracket 10 into 10 to the power n value. What is 10 to the power? N value. What is n value? 2 minus 1 minus 9 into n value 2. All of you are working with me. 1 by 27 10 into calculator 10 square minus 1. 10 square minus 1. 100 minus 1. 99 minus 9 2s are 18. Your work is 1 by 27. All of you use calculator. 10 into 99 minus 18. That answer divided by 27. Where are you? 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 Will you get 36? Here you get 972. Will you get exactly 36? So tell me 3 plus 33, is it 36? Yes. In the option 2 you get 36. Right answer is B. Right answer is B. Such a big question you could work out in fraction of seconds. Not even 1 minute it will take if you understood properly. Happy? If you understood, one clap for all of you. Learned something new, right? Super, super, super. Some of you not understood? Excellent. Okay. Okay. Super, super, super. Okay. Now done. Students, okay. Pooja comment says she did not understand. What I have done, Pooja, I took only, listen, 333 up to n terms. I did not take all, I took only 2. That is 3 plus 33. Why you take 2? You can take 3 also. You can take 1. Some number you take. Don't tell n, unknown. So I took 2, 3 plus 33, 36. Whenever I take n is equal to 2, that becomes 3 plus 33, 36. Substitute in each option. Substitute in each option. Then you will get exact 36. Sunita Pai, okay. So, shall all of us try n is equal to 1? Shall all of us try once again? Y2, Y3, simple, Jujube, shall we put n is equal to 1? If n is equal to 1, easiest, no? If n is equal to 1, only one term, what is that term? 3. Yeah, Sejavan is asking, can we apply any 3 for anything? 3 means 3 plus 33 plus 333, that total, and here all same you will get. Shall we try n is equal to 1? Answer should be 3. Let us apply in this calculator. Option B I will try, okay. Option B, 1 by 27, 10 to the power, you tell me. 10 to the power, now I am taking n is equal to what? 1 minus 1. I am just substituting here, please observe. Then continuation minus what? 9n. 9 into 1. Bracket close. 1 by 27. Calculator. 10 into 10 minus 1, 9. Minus 9. Calculator 1 by 27. Can all of you tell me? 10 into 9, 90. 90 minus 9, 81. So 81 by 27. First, whether you got 3. 81 by 27, whether you got 3. Easy, no? Damn easy. Put n is equal to 1. First term 3. Sum is 3. 2 terms 3 plus 33. So I think such a big explanation comes down to only taking n is equal to 1 or 2. Is it easy for all the students who are listening my classes? Is it understood? Okay, why 1 by 27? It is there in the question, no Pooja here. I am just, what is there here, that I am substituting. Here put in n value, you have to put 1, 2, that's all. Okay. So, all of you try this question and come tomorrow, this 20th question. 20th question you have to work out. Alright. I just want to close the today's session. All of you understood so far? Whatever I worked out, whether you understood so far? Okay. I think tomorrow I am going to end this chapter of progressions, sequence and series. Right. Before I close today's session, I just give, I will have some times where I will take your questions also. But please note, we learned GP, we learned sum of n terms in GP, Tn formula, Sn formula. Have you learned two formula in Sn? R greater than 1, R less than 1. Then we entered into a kind of problem where repeated numbers are given, as you know, as it is there on the screen, 333, 333. 333, 330. This kind of questions are quite often they give in the examination. So that you will take that big step you will do, you know, and you will take lot of time. You will consume lot of time. That's what, you know, question paper setter wants. But you know, our students of Trisha and K2 are wonderful. You just apply n is equal to 1 or 2, substitute in option, you will get it. You have calculator, you have options. Just understand n is equal to 1 or 2. That's all. Okay. Okay, homework question, it will be circulated to you. This is the homework question. Same thing, 0.7, 0.77, 0.777. You have to try n is equal to 1 or 2. If you take n is equal to 1, you have to get 0.7. If it is equal to n is equal to 2, calculator 0.7 plus 0.77. What should be the answer? 1.47 should be the answer, and try it out. I will give this homework to you. So we learned this kind of problem, and I wanted to give you one small tips to all of you. All of you are there? I told no, I will give a nice tip to all of you. Small one, and then I will straight away end the session. Whether you asked any time for yourself, how come some people are very, very successful? Have you asked any time? So how come some people are very successful? I have been observing many people who become very, very successful. The success mantra for them, any guess? Hard work, smart work, confidence, etc. That all we know it. I observed they are quite energetic in nature. They are quite positive people. And that's the mantra that you all have to follow. I know we are just in the initial step. There could be some lot of classes, boredom, all that I understand. I am not denying it. But fresh enough, get energy and start, and you know, do something, you know, small, you know, 5-10 minutes, walk, come back, work it out. That's what I observed. You know, the most successful person are more energetic people. If you are more energetic, or if you are with more energetic people, you become more energetic all the times. You have to be with energetic people. With that, I will conclude. One success mantra that I wanted to share with you is be energetic all the times. Success will follow automatic to you. That's all. Thank you very much. I just want to conclude to all of you. Have been wonderful students as usual, amazing students with lot of responses and puzzle cracking, etc. Tomorrow again I will meet at the same time, 5 to, I will take till 6:30, 6:45, and I will try to close it. If needed, I can extend another 15 minutes. I will take in your mind 5 to 7, I will close this chapter. Is that okay? Is that okay to all of you? Tomorrow your session is 5 to 7. Thank you, take care, goodbye. So I will take your doubts straight away. There is thank you, you can leave if it